Hello everyone. Welcome to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 5 a.m. mindset. Not just waking up early, but how early mornings can help you build focus, discipline, and improve your English speaking step by step. In this video, you will practice real English with me and also learn how to control distractions and organize your day. Because when your habits improve, your confidence improves and your English speaking becomes easier. Many people think they cannot speak English because they are not intelligent enough. But most of the time, the real problem is a tired and distracted mind. Morning is the only time of the day when your brain is calm, clear, and ready to learn. And today, I will show you how one small habit can slowly change both your English and your confidence. So stay with me, because in this lesson, you will not only listen, you will actively speak with me. By the end of this video, you will practice powerful sentences that improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in real English conversation. And at the same time, you will also learn a mindset that helps you stay focused, motivated, and more disciplined in your daily life. Before we move to the speaking practice, let me tell you something real about my own life, my personal experience. There was a time when I truly believed I was working very hard on my English. I stayed awake late at night, watching lessons, writing notes, saving vocabulary lists. Every morning I woke up tired. My mind felt noisy. And whenever I tried to speak English, my thoughts moved slower than my words. I started doubting myself. One evening, my father quietly watched me studying. My table was full of notebooks, highlighters, and unfinished plans. He didn't interrupt me. He just sat beside me for a moment and said, "You are spending a lot of time, but you are not giving your mind the right moment." I didn't understand. I told him, "I practice for hours every night." He smiled gently and said something I will never forget. Learning is not only about effort, it is about timing. A tired mind remembers very little, but a fresh mind learns very fast. Then he asked me one simple question. When do you think your mind is the most peaceful? I had no answer. He said, before the world wakes up. That night I couldn't sleep. I realized something important. I was fighting my brain every night and expecting confidence every day. So I made a small promise to myself. For just 1 week, I will wake up at 5 a.m. The first mornings were difficult. My alarm felt louder than my motivation. My bed felt warmer than my dreams. And my body negotiated with me. Just 5 more minutes. But I remembered my father's words. So I sat at my desk, put on my headphones, and simply listened to English. No pressure, No long study plan, just calm listening and soft speaking. After some days, I noticed a quiet change. My thoughts became clearer. My memory became sharper. And for the first time, I was not translating in my head anymore. English started coming naturally. Then I understood something powerful. Confidence does not come from studying more. Confidence comes from studying with a clear mind. Early morning gave me that clarity. While the world was still silent, my brain was finally able to learn. So from tomorrow, wake up with me at 5 a.m. Sit with your headphones and speak slowly without fear. Before we start practicing, you need to understand something important. Your problem is not laziness. It is your brain choosing comfort over growth. At 5 a.m., your brain wants easy reward. Sleep feels safe. Effort feels dangerous. So you press snooze automatically, not consciously. But when you wake up repeatedly, you retrain your brain and build a new identity. And once you understand this, you will stop blaming yourself and start controlling your mornings. Alright, now we have come to our practice time. This is the most important part of the video. Now don't just listen to me, speak with me. After every sentence, I will give you a small pause. During that pause, stop the video and repeat the sentence out loud. Repeat it as many times as you need. There is no hurry here. Remember, English speaking improves when your mouth speaks, not when you only listen. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start our speaking practice together. I am not late in life. I am preparing at my own pace. I stopped comparing my beginning with someone else's middle. I respect myself enough to stay consistent. I am training my mind to follow my goals, not my mood. I may be slow, but I am moving forward every day. While others sleep, I quietly build my future. The morning is my private classroom for success. I wake up early because my dreams are important. My phone does not control my morning anymore. I start my day with purpose, not pressure. Each sunrise gives me another chance to improve. My routine is shaping my future silently. I am not afraid of speaking imperfect English anymore. Every day, my words become clearer and stronger. Confidence comes from practice, not from talent. I don't need perfect grammar to express my thoughts. Mistakes are proof that I am learning. I am working quietly, but my results will be loud. No one sees my effort, but I see my growth. I am training my brain to think in English. One day, I will speak English naturally and proudly. And that was your speaking practice. You just used your voice, not just your ears. Maybe it felt a little difficult. Maybe some words were not clear. But you tried, and that matters. You did really well today. If you spoke the sentences with me, then you didn't just watch this video. You practiced real English. And you trained your mindset too. Today, you showed discipline. Today, you kept a promise to yourself. Little by little, this is how confidence grows. This is how a person changes their life. If this lesson helped you even a little, please like the video so I know you are learning and growing with me. And subscribe to the channel. Here, we are not only learning English, we are building a better future together. Write in the comments, I practiced and I didn't quit. I read your comments and they truly motivate me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, keep believing in your progress, and keep speaking, even if it's not perfect. See you in the next lesson.